The intermezzo from Goyescas is a beautiful classical Spanish piece. Paloma taught this to us over 2 workshops in Singapore, and there was still a little bit more to be completed. But when the global COVID situation arose and limited travel, we then had to turn to technology to enable us to continue our learning from her, and this time online.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pay attention when you see the video, the way I'm doing, the way I'm doing the movements, the way I'm using my legs. When we turn back, what you do? Pa. You have to put your heel on the floor because if not, you cannot do this longer. Pa is pa, pam. So that little details are very important.
As with any lesson, whether online or in person, it's so important to have self-practice. So my role as repetitor is to go into the studio to work with the goals, cleaning them up, refining the choreography further, internalizing the work. And it's always great when we have the chance to showcase what was learned, putting in goals at each stage of our growth, whether it's having shows or adapting the work to live music. In this case, we had the chance to work with a harp quartet. All these add up, whether it's the online classes, in-person workshops, self-practice, shows, it all adds up to build the path forward for the students, offering them a variety of experiences as well as exposure.